Hi, it's Gwen from the South Columbus Public Library and
Rosemary as well.
And today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make homemade gummy bears.
So first you're going to want to gather all your things that you'll need to make the gummy bears. First thing will be some gelatin and some unflavored gelatin. You'll need cold water, spoons for stirring or a whisk. You'll need a microwave and a measuring cup. And the fancy molds. Now, if you don't have these fancy molds, don't despair. You could use something simple like ice cube trays. And in absence of ice cube trays, you could actually just use a baking dish, shallow baking dish, and what you're going to do at that point is cut the bears or cut the gummies into squares or shapes. So your next step is to prepare your molds, and if you're using the ice cube trays, of course, you can put them on a tray. You don't need to, but these silicone molds, they're bendy, so we need to put them on something flat, because we're going to put this in the refrigerator eventually. So what you do is just use some cooking spray and very lightly just give it a little bit of a coat so they'll come out. And trust me, you can't taste this. Okay, so we're going to start out with a 6-ounce package of flavored gelatin. Mine's strawberry.
Mine's blueberry. Now we're going to take our packs of unflavored jello, and you're going to need about 2 packs for this size box of jello, and we're going to add those.
Now the last ingredient is water. So it's anywhere between 2/3 and a cup of water. So this will not completely dissolve. You can see that there's still sugar that's not quite dissolved. So the next part is to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So now we've microwaved it 2 times for 30 seconds, and now you can see that the sugar, you can't hear the crystals, it's completely dissolved, and we're ready to pour it in the mold. If you have really teeny tiny molds, you might want to use an eyedropper. Otherwise, just real gently and carefully use the spout on your cup.
Now we're going to pop our molds into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes and let them harden.
Now we've had these in the refrigerator for over 20 minutes, which is fine. And you can see that they've set. So you just want to unmold.
Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jolly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh yeah, gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear.
Inspirational.
Exceptional.
High tech.
Organizing.
Huh?
Oh, reading it. Warm and fuzzy.
Suspenseful.
Reading is musical.
Out of this world.
Reading is everything.
The Summer Reading Challenge.
We're open. Check us out.